Today we're making scrumptious blueberry pudding. Tools and equipment: we have our electric blender, a bowl and a spatula, our natural live cultured yogurt, an egg and some flour and lactose-free milk, rolled oats, coconut oil and our baking powder, natural honey, softened butter, our pastry brush and a wooden skewer for testing. It's a little chilly today, so Roland's dressed in his warm fluffy lamb outfit. Roland's ready to go, so let's get started. Add flour, oats, baking powder to the bowl and mix together. How are we doing, Roland? All good? Now let's add the egg, honey and coconut oil and mix together with our blender. Eggs contain essential fatty acids and are one of the cheapest sources of high quality protein you can buy. Whole wheat flour adds protein, fibre, vitamins E and B, and in moderate doses is fine for your dog. Natural live cultured yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, protein, vitamins and enzymes. Oats are a great source of calcium, iron and zinc. Coconut oil has lots of health benefits. It's a digestive aid, great for metabolism, skin and fur. Blend until the pudding batter is lump-free and is a nice creamy consistency. Grease the pudding bowl with the softened butter. Add fresh blueberries to the pudding bowl. Pour the mixture over the blueberries until 2/3 full. Bake in a moderate oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 15 minutes. Test by inserting a wooden skewer. It should come out clean and dry. This looks awesome and smells great, don't you think, Roland? Turn the pudding out into a dish and let it cool. Decorate with natural yogurt. Now for Roland's favourite part of the show, the taste test. The fresh blueberries are a wonderful source of superfood for your dog. This pudding is a delicious sweet treat. So for a small dog like Roland, he has a small slice and the rest gets refrigerated and frozen for another day. And now it's playtime for Roland. Thanks for watching our channel today. If you liked it, please subscribe, share with other dog-loving friends and give us a big thumbs up like on the Facebook site. We'd love to get your comments, and from the Cooking for Dog kitchen, Roland and I wish you bon appetit.